Ian, how does the share market, the global share market, rate your value, your company, Newcrest, as against Newmont and Barrick?
We're pretty well valued. We're on a par with the major North Americans and the valuation points. We're not on the same par as Goldcorp, which is a standout in the industry, but relative valuation, we would be there with Barrick and Newmont.
Will that make it hard? You've always been Newcrest has always been a takeover target, and do you think it's less of a target now than it was because of that?
I think the suite of assets that we have is what everyone would want in the industry, so that makes us a target and always will, hopefully. If you can keep your valuations up the same as other persons, then people will have to pay a premium for you if they want to take you over, and that is the only protection you have in the long run.
Shouldn't you be trading at a premium to Barrick and Newmont? And you've got a rising production profile, rising reserves profile, and a falling cost profile. They've got reserves that are depleting and relatively high cost compared to you. Shouldn't you be at a premium?
Yeah. To be fair on the market though, we haven't actually enunciated that clearly with the market until the end of April, when we came out with our third quarter results. So we realised there was a valuation point there where people weren't seeing the amount of growth that we do have in the company, so we started to share that with the market. That's had the effect that over the last 6 months or so we've gradually been clicking up in valuation point for growth. So it was part of our own making that we hadn't been communicating everything.
Why didn't you do that? Why didn't you communicate to your shareholders? What held you back?
Because when I joined the company 3 years ago, there's a few other burning decks that we had to fix at the time. So we've been working on that. We've gotten rid of all our hedges. Telfer was really operating in the range that people expected it to operate within. So now we're at a stage where we can talk about our growth going forward.
Those burning decks saved you from takeover, didn't they?
Yeah, but it's a horrible way to be saved from takeover. You don't ever want to be saved by poison pills.